Okay, so we are at Cornerstone Kurla 7-Eleven and I'm with चलते हैं अंदर. Oh my god, have you had this?
It was at this moment we knew we messed up. So basically, we were going to make a video where we were going to eat at 7-Eleven for an entire day, but they kicked us out. So it's fine. Just watch for yourselves.
बाजू से ये बस ट्राइपॉड है पर लोग तो बनाते हैं जो मेल
So we had to improvise an entire new YouTube video. So we decided to go to different like fast food chains and ask for off the topic of the menu items, and we made up our own combinations and tried them. Honestly, I've seen so many like secret menu videos abroad, but I've never seen one in India, so I feel like this is a first and I'm very excited. Okay, bye. Enjoy. Hi guys, finally we are back from the mall. 7-Eleven was an epic fail.
Gnarly.
So we tried to find some secret menu items and we went to a lot of people and everyone was giving us looks and judging us and rejecting us and embarrassing us. But 3 fast food joints let us create some crap out of their food.
And they didn't even judge us for that.
Yeah.
Except for one person. The
Oh.
we can't say it right now.
Let's begin with the first fast food joint. Sabaro has a new menu item. One is a chicken tornado and the other is a veggie turnover. So we asked them, what could you do for us? And they said they will mix both of them. Should we cut it with a knife?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll get a knife.
Corn. I don't like corn. Kebabs are very watery.
Actually, I like it. It's juicy, except for the corn. I like it. I don't like corn.
Oh, we are very hungry. This would have been better if it was hot, but then we were traveling and it became cold and also, yeah.
We could reheat it though.
I can't have hot food right now.
Because she got a new piercing!
Yay, guess where?
In your ear.
I think I only liked it because I'm hungry. But now on second thought, it was just like a homemade kebab in a burger. You know what happened? We went to the counter guy and he didn't understand anything. He was like, secret menu, ये क्या होता है? हमें क्या करना है इसमें? मुझे नहीं समझ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. And then this
निकल
woman
जाता
was
था.
like, yeah. And this woman was like, come here, I'll help you.
We are basically looking for a secret menu item. Okay, I'll take one of those. Yeah, that works.
Shout out to Sonal.
Ah, Sonal.
Thank you so much for helping us. She was even like, we'll tag you, give us your handle.
Do you want to be in the video?
No, I don't want to be, but you tell me, you show me your handle so that I
I'm
can tag
just
the marketing.
So
Okay.
when I post, I'll let
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know. I'll come back here and let you know.
I won't be there, but
Okay,
you
I'll
can
let
tag
them know.
Sabaru India.
Yes.
So that we come to know.
Okay, I'll place the order. Thank you.
But I was like, this is my first video. What will you even tag? Okay, let's move on to the second item.
Yay!
So this was kind of a fail. हाँ बहन भी कर ले.
Not bad. Looks kind of nice.
Okay, so we actually asked them to make a burger and put peri peri fries inside. It was her idea.
Hi.
Okay. And the guy looked at the girl beside him like this.
ऐसे नहीं होता ये नहीं हो सकता and then he was like you know what wait let me ask my manager and he was like नहीं क्यों पूछना है ये सब
But the guy was like, I'll ask, let me ask. And then he actually went and asked the manager and the manager was like, sure, this can be done.
पेरी पेरी फ्राइज हमें बर्गर के अंदर चाहिए.
बर्गर के अंदर पेरी पेरी फ्राइज
अरे मतलब
हाय बट डाल सकते हैं क्या? हमें बर्गर चाहिए जिसमें चीज एंड चिकन दोनों का पैटी रहे.
चिकन एंड चीज बर्गर.
हाँ
ठीक है, मैं जाता हूँ, ऑर्डर देता हूँ, मैं कराता हूँ.
हाँ ठीक है. थैंक यू.
But then
But then when we went, they actually didn't put the fries inside. They only put peri peri inside.
What the hell?
तो ठीक है, DIY कर लिया हमने. It's fine.
Tasty है.
a lot of burger joints do that, right? Putting fries in their burger. So they can also do this, making it the ultimate combo for the people who don't have time to eat.
Makes sense. It could be a like college takeaway meal.
And then, if you don't have time to have Coca-Cola also, just dip it and then
I genuinely really like the fries. It was really good. You should try this. And don't tell us we sent you. Don't tell them we sent you. I think now I would do this, but like a normal burger. I would just put fries in it. New tradition. Okay. Third fast food joint. Well, this is an Indian fast food joint, right? Tibbs is Indian. So Tibbs Frankie is known for their
Rolls.
So we asked them to mix 2 Frankies, chili chicken and chicken tikka, and crush nachos over that and add extra cheese. I really don't know how that's going to work out, but the lady was really excited.
Yeah, you know, she looked like this is not her first time doing this.
Really?
Yeah, she was like, हाँ चलेगा, ठीक है, okay, हो जाएगा.
She left the counter to make our Frankie.
Oh, I thought already a lot of new things happened when she left the counter.
Should we talk about that? Okay, so basically when we went there was this guy who came up to the counter and he was like, you all finish up, then we'll talk. Okay, and then he couldn't control and he was like, there is capsicum in this. You guys explicitly said that there will not be capsicum. I asked you.
He asked for capsicums apparently, and I didn't understand. He was like, where there is no capsicum in it, and there's like onion in it.
He said that there is capsicum in it. When I asked you, you said that there will not be any capsicum. Why is there capsicum in this? If someone was allergic to capsicum, they would die. And then the lady from inside was like, sorry, isme to capsicum hota hai. And then that guy left. Then that lady told the cashier कि उसको पूरा खाने के बाद मिला क्या कैप्सिकम. हाँ, कौन से दो आप? I'm scared to put this out, bro.
Cut.
Okay, let's try the tips one.
Oh my god, this is thick. Let's open this shit. Okay. Wow. It's getting ready, right?
It tastes like keema pav.
Keema pav. This is an insane taste. This is like too many flavors together, which is literally what we did. Do you like it?
It reminds me of like roadside stands जहाँ पे हमें rolls मिलते हैं.
Okay. I don't like it. That's my final verdict. I don't like it.
You know, every time she says, I like it so much, I wait for it to end.
You just know.
Now I can say my final reviews. Finals here, I think the roll was very badly cooked to the point like मेरे दांत के अंदर घुस गया. Inside the chicken is very hard. Okay, they overcooked the chicken, so it's like very chewy. Like not even chewy. It's like just breaks and like just. It's weird. You don't taste the juicy chicken in it. It's like very dry and all.
Okay, I have a surprise for you.
Huh?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Turn around.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! 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 Doraki! Doraki!
Yay!
Yay!
Dora cake.
Doraki! Oh my god, is it bean jam wala?
Yeah. But it's matcha flavored.
So, I smell, it's sweet, it's a bit tangy, you know, like how, okay, don't kill me for this, I've had Dora cakes before. You know that dosa का smell जो होता है थोड़ा सा slight सा जब उसको तुम cook करते हो तो थोड़ा सा आता है, a very light, like वैसा, because maybe it's like made out of rice, नहीं, no, that's not, yeah.
what you mean.
Okay, yeah. I thought
like
people,
the smell.
I thought people were going to kill me for this. So, ये देखो. Okay.
I don't taste the matcha. Do you?
The cake, it tastes like any cakes, that tea cake something. It tastes like that. And the
But very fluffy. Like I don't think I've had such fluffy tea cake. I don't see what Doraemon sees in this.
Let's rate them.
oh yeah, sure, yeah.
You take the first one, the veggie turnover plus the chicken tornado.
3 out of 10.
4 out of 10. It was good.
I didn't like the oregano and all. Like it tasted very, very kadwa. Like
Oh.
yeah, very bitter. And the kebab inside, it was like very watery, not like juicy. It was like flavorless,
It was like
watery.
frozen. No?
Yeah.
Makes sense. I actually don't like that kebab. Like in general, I don't like that steak kebab.
Oh.
That's why I didn't like it. But I think otherwise, it's okay.
And then you don't even like corns, right? So basically, all over it was a 3 out of 10 for you.
Sure. 3.5 out of 10.
Second.
The McDonald's.
Oh my god. So
9 out of 10. And it was like a 1, 2, 1, 1 out of 10.
it's like it had too many flavors that I couldn't
It was
even
too
taste.
salty too.
Yeah. I would give it a -1.
Okay then.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.
Yay, thank
to
you.
this random girl I found on the street
Yeah.
to join me for this video, for joining me. Anyway, bye guys.
Bye.